Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll guide you on how to write an appeal letter for college. This formal document is essential in requesting the reconsideration of your admission decision, highlighting any mitigating circumstances that may have impacted your application. When writing your appeal letter, be sure to include your full name and address at the top of the letter, along with the date. This information helps the admissions officer identify who you are and when the letter was sent. Then, include the name of the admissions officer, the college name, and the college address so the letter is properly directed. Starting with Dear Admissions Officer's name ensures that your letter is addressed to the correct person in a respectful manner. After that, write, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to formally appeal the decision regarding my admission to college name. After carefully reviewing my application and reflecting on the circumstances surrounding my academic performance, I believe that certain factors were not fully considered. Briefly explain any mitigating circumstances, such as personal hardships, medical issues, or other challenges that affected your grades or test scores. These factors do not reflect my true potential, and I am confident that I can demonstrate my academic capabilities if given the opportunity to enroll at college name. I am deeply passionate about. Mention your intended major or area of study, and I have worked diligently to overcome the obstacles I've faced. I have attached supporting documents, such as medical records, letters of recommendation, or other relevant paperwork that further explain my situation. I would be extremely grateful for your reconsideration of my application, and I am happy to provide any additional information if necessary. Thank you for your time and understanding. Sincerely, your full name. This is the sample appeal letter for college we've just written. Notice how it clearly conveys your request for reconsideration, explains the circumstances that affected your application, and highlights your commitment to your academic goals. It also demonstrates your passion for your chosen field of study and your determination to succeed despite challenges. By following this format, you can create a compelling letter that presents your case professionally and respectfully. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting impactful application letters.